Have you made floral arrangements before? How has it worked out for you? Hopefully you've had great success. Hello and welcome to Catherine's Garden. My name is Catherine Constant and it's so good to be with you today. I hope all is well with you today. I hope that you are enjoying yourself and enjoying your garden. And you know what? I was having some fun in the garden today. I walked around and I was looking at the flowers and the wind is blowing and it's just so beautiful out. And I was watching the plumes on the seabird grass going to and fro. And I said to myself, I need to gather all of these together and create something new. And so I decided to create a floral arrangement. Now I was watching Laura from Garden Answer and she was making floral arrangements with her mom, and they were together just decorating and designing and creating, and so I decided that I needed to do the same thing too. So I went out and I picked some flowers. And you know, I really don't like to cut my flowers. I really want to keep them in alive, and I feel when I cut them that I'm killing them, which is true. But then right now we're at the end of the season, and soon the weather will kill them. The frost will come and kill them, so I might as well enjoy them. So I decided to cut the flowers and to create a floral arrangement from the garden, and you could recognize them. Here is the hydrangea. I also got some zinnias, purple perilla, another hydrangea, and I picked up my vase that I'm going to use to come up with this floral arrangement. And I had so much fun doing it. It just made me so happy. And so come with me through the process. Now, I am not a floral arranger. I usually don't cut flowers, as I said before. But this time I had such a great time putting the colors together, putting the different shapes together, and looking at the flowers in a unique way to create a beautiful floral arrangement. Now here are the flowers that I cut from the garden. I cut some of my hydrangeas from the hydrangea tree, and then also I cut some of the zinnias that were in the front garden, and this hydrangea. So come with me as I put together this floral arrangement. It had been raining in the garden for about 2 days, and everything was looking so lush and beautiful. And also, I was just wanting to bring some of this beauty into the house. So I saw my zebra grass, decided to pick up a couple of these plumes here, and the hydrangea. This is from the hydrangea tree in the front. I cut some of the purple perilla, and I love the flowers. It's starting to flower and will seed soon. But if you notice on the leaf, the back side of the leaf is purple and the front side has this sort of greenish appeal. And it's similar to this hydrangea right here that I got in the back. I believe this is the Endless Summer Series bridal bouquet, and this is how it turned now for the fall. And you can see how it blends so well with the purple perilla that I said, oh, this would make a really great arrangement. And also, I picked some of my zinnias. You know how difficult that was to do, to pick the zinnias. But I knew that if I didn't pick the zinnias, that those that wanted to come along wouldn't probably flower and bloom, because these were there. And I didn't want to cut the zinnias for a while because I wanted them to dry a little bit so that I can gather seeds. But since I've gathered a lot of seeds now, I can go ahead and use them in this arrangement. So this is what I have. I have the zebra grass, the hydrangeas, the purple perilla, and the zinnia. And I'm going to arrange them in this beautiful vase that I have. It looks like autumn, don't you think? And so I'm going to arrange them in there, and we're going to see how it turns out. Now, I was watching Laura from Garden Answer. Her mother is a garden florist, and she helped her arrange different floral arrangements for a baby shower that she was having at her home. And it was so wonderful to see all of the different floral arrangements and the different containers that she used to create such beautiful, beautiful floral arrangements. So this is where the inspiration is coming from Laura of Garden Answer and her mom. And I'm going to try my hand at this here in Catherine's garden. Okay, so I'm going to start and place them in the water. I filled the vase with water so that I'd be able to keep the arrangements fresh. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to snip off the bottom. And also, I'm going to tear off these extra leaves because we don't want to put leaves in the water. We want to make sure that the leaves are not in the water. But I'm going to leave some of the leaves because it will help to fill out the arrangement and provide filler. So let's get these inside here. That looks pretty already, all by itself. Here's the next bloom. As I said, I'm going to just take off the leaves. And snip the bottom here. And place it inside of the vase. As I said, oh, there's some bugs here. So that's how it looks so far. I've decided to start first with the hydrangeas. They'll provide the stability for the rest of the flowers. And so I'm going to go ahead and put them inside the vase, and then I'm going to come back to you and show you what I've done so far. So I've now put all of the different hydrangea blossoms in. And now I'm going to add the purple perilla just to add some height to the vase. I've already snipped the bottom. So this is what the purple perilla looks like. I'm going to add this next. hopefully the water will help the purple perilla not to be so wilty. But I really like this. This is what I really like. I like the flowers or the stalks part at the end, and the fact that they're just like standing up like that. It will add some beauty to this arrangement. Already it looks nice, but I'm going to add the rest of the flowers. So the next thing I'm going to add is the plumes from the zebra grass. I'm just going to stick it right in there. Now, doesn't that fill out this arrangement? And they say to do things in threes, so I got 3 different ones, and I'm just gonna add them in. Wow, I think that's looking great already. And here's the last one. Let's step back and take a look. Wow, I think that's looking pretty good. Now for the finishing touches, I'm going to add the zinnia. Let me stand back and take a look. Definitely there's height in this arrangement. Alright, so now I'm going to add the zinnias. I stripped away the leaves off of the zinnias because I really don't need any leaves for fillers in this arrangement, because I have enough fillers here with the hydrangeas and the leaves from the purple perilla. So let's see where we can stick a beautiful pop of color. I think this is a good spot right here. Wow, that looks nice. I think I'm going to add one here. Let's go around and see where else could benefit from a beautiful zinnia. Let's see. I'm going to add it right here. That looks nice. And this is a nice long stem that I have here. See this one? So we can kind of put this more towards the middle. Oh, that looks good so far. Now, I am not a floral arranger. This is really my first major attempt at doing this. I used to just, collect some of the flowers and kind of roughly put things together, but I don't know. Today I'm really thinking about it. Let me turn this around and see if I can. I have one more to fill in. And let's see. I have this one. I think I'm going to just put it in here. Like that. Well, I have a little cleanup to do. Oop, and the wind is blowing. Well, what do you think? The arrangement is looking so beautiful from every angle. As I walk around it, I can see the beauty of the flowers just coming together, blending and making it look spectacular, if I say so myself. I really like this, and I like the vase that I chose. This yellow goldish vase actually brings out the colors of the arrangement, and even the stem, if you can see the stems of the purple perella and the green with the yellow, just beautiful. This is looking spectacular from every angle. I'm just loving this. I'm going to have to try this again, and and it won't hurt so much because the season is changing, and soon these flowers will have faded and passed on. Yes, and we'll have to wait till next year to grow them again. But this is one way of capturing the beauty of the garden, and I'm so glad and thankful to Laura and her mom for showing me and inspiring me, and as well as all of the other YouTube personalities that make floral arrangements. Thank you so much. I'm really grateful. I have been enjoying myself in the garden and really enjoying all of the different activities. Not just sitting and working in the garden, but actually enjoying the garden, and harvesting these flowers has been a pleasure today. Thank you so much for being with me. Have you made floral arrangements before? How has it worked out for you? Hopefully you've had great success in the garden using your flowers as floral arrangements. Well, if you like this video, then like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below. Make sure that you hit the notification button, and come on back and join me in this journey of the garden, Catherine's Garden. My name is Catherine, by the way. Yes. So it's so good to have you with me. Come on back to Catherine's Garden. Thank you so much. Bye.